This is our camp at Calliope River Stop, and today is Sunday, and we've decided to have a day of rest and watch the Bathurst. What's this place called? It's Calliope
River South Camp.
Calliope River South Camp.
Yes.
And the North Camp is across the river. I don't know if you can see it.
There are no bathrooms over there, or toilets.
There's no toilet facilities over there. It's closed and locked up. Must be out of order. But this place is huge. It's a huge river flat, and lots of people coming in and staying the night or two. Quite a few stayed the night like us, so this will be our second night tonight, and quite a few left this morning, and others have came during the day. Very big, very big. It's on the old Bruce Highway. Yawoon. Yawoon? Yawoon?
Yeah.
This is a Calliope River rest area, coffee shop. I'm not sure what it is actually. Calliope River Historical Village, that's what it is. And there's a tour you can do for $5. And there's a model railway club here as well. Please enter through kiosk, private facilities. Carriage, hay shed, toilets. That looks pretty good. A lot of, all run by volunteers. There's a bird feeder. Look at those finches. No, it's feeder. The little tiny finch, the one on the ground. It is minute. Ah, the cheeky devils are coming in. There are lots of birds here. There's that one on the ground. See it? Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's lovely over here.
There are lots of ships out to sea. Hippocampus whitey. White's seahorse. this be it on this side. Laid out and cast into the concrete.
That's awesome.
Strong currents, submerged objects, marine stingers November to April, crocodiles, Tannum Sands main beach. Main beach is patrolled during September, October, Christmas and Easter holidays and weekends of public holidays from May to September to May. Please swim only between the flags. Look at all the ships out there waiting to be loaded. It's amazing. You can see white caps way out there.
The Gladstone boats. Port of Gladstone.
Very much. Rio, how do you...
This is the Tannum Sands beach. Surf club there. People enjoying the beach. This is Gladstone Harbour, where the coal loaders are. And that's toward the city.
Is that the botanic? I think that's the botanic gardens over there. Very cool. This is all, these lights are still going. But why do they light up? I think it's just from over there, it just lights up this afternoon.
And it's a park across the waterway. Here's the marina. There's a ship coming in to be loaded, bollocks. Either that or they're taking it out. Tugboats. This is the looking back at the park we just walked through and took a few videos of the port and the grass and parkland on this side. Now we're heading into the city. Looking at the park that we walked around. Look at this place. I wonder what this is. Is it a private residence?
Like it?
Yeah.
Holy mackerel, what a place. This is the view out the southern side of the lookout, which we can't get to because they're working on it, obviously. And this truck driver's got to back up this bit of a hill so we can get loaded.
It's got to go up the road right this path here. It'll be interesting.
Wow, this is awesome view.
I hate to be a magpie.
So what was this lookout called?
It's called East Shores Marina Parklands.
No, the lookout.
Oh,
Round Hill, wasn't it?
Round Hill.
Round Hill Lookout.
They must be bringing the coal into the port.
Yeah. So that's the airport there, and then just to the right of the airport is a terminus for the coal trains. And when we went past that on the way in, there was like, you know, is it almost 10 trains queued up
10
there?
trains there, yeah.
It's a bit blurry. It's not.
They're all the mines just there.
So here's a map of the Gladstone area, Gladstone region they call it, and all the things to do in this area. So we're looking south now to Agnes Water in 1770. And what is that number 11?
Yeah.
The Boyne Smelter. Boyne Island, Tannum Sands.
And just the other side to the left.
Can I zoom in on that smelter? Don't think I can zoom in on that smelter. There it is. Yeah, it's not focusing. The photo. Look at the communications equipment on those towers. That is just amazing. So there's a bit of a shame. Everywhere we go, they're upgrading. We're at the Toondoon Botanic Gardens. Really, really big. Hello.
What can you see up
Not much. In the trees. So the cafe would have been fantastic. Just there looking out over the water. So this was observation deck, but the only thing you can observe is the treetops.
getting ready for springtime?
Oh, is that?
That's what it says. Excuse our messy car. And who wants to stand in the way of love? That's funny. Go back that way, it looks really pretty.
Yeah, down the waterway.
Oh, noisy bird. Oh,
The ducks.
oh.
So Marina, what do you think of Tannum Sands?
Tannum Sands,
The other day.
really pretty place, but again, all these beaches have croc issues.
Yeah.
So you see people out there swimming and you go, but obviously they're locals and know the way around the place. But it was very pretty, but yeah, certainly not a place to take the family.
Surprising how large the town was, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Well, it's got there's all the smelters out there too. So the town's being supported by the mineral industry and everything else that's going on around this whole area. But I am really impressed with how clean everything is.
Yeah.
For an industrial city, all the parks are all really well maintained and lots of lovely
So that
green
was
grass.
where we were yesterday. Where was that?
That was at Gladstone.
Gladstone. So
Yeah.
Gladstone's a huge town.
Yeah, it's
Well,
huge.
it's a
But
city,
Tannum
isn't
Sands was pretty. Actually, all the parks along the front of Tannum Sands were pretty as well. So
it?
the same council, of course. Obviously, money.
Yeah.
Plenty of money around
Lots of coal.
and lots of coal. Yeah.
So what's
lots
going to
of
happen to these places when they stop exporting coal?
Don't know. But will they ever stop needing aluminium? Because this is what they're using up here. They've got all aluminium smelters everywhere. So
Yeah.
lots of
Well,
aluminium.
that was a
still
coal.
being-
That was a coal-fired power station
Yeah.
to supply power to the aluminium smelter,
Aluminium smelter. Yep.
and it had 3 high-tension power lines.
Yes. Yep.
Going
yep.
to it.
Yep. Yep. amazing stuff. Yeah, no, I really liked it. I
So
really
it's
liked the whole area.
It's been a very, very... I've never been here actually.
No,
I've only ever flown through.
Same, straight through. Maybe one night in a motel and then kept going, but
Yeah.
never long enough to stay. So yeah, no, it was good. Really enjoyed it.
The day we're moving on, the sun comes out. Not a cloud in the sky,
No.
although we have been able to get up to 100% in our solar
Yeah.
every day, which has been great. Even though it's been cloudy, we put the extra panel out to pick up a few more amps, and that was enough to top us right back up again. We ran Starlink for the Great Race on Sunday to give us a good reception, and yes, that's the end of this video. So we'll see what happens on the next one. We're heading up to Rocky.
Yeah.
Up to Rockhampton today. All right, bye.